Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, your premier destination for top-tier pre-owned RVs. Today we're thrilled to showcase this 2019 Winnebago Forza 38W, a CARFAX one-owner diesel pusher with only 25,000 miles, priced at an unbeatable $139,900. This 40-foot beauty built on a Freightliner chassis features the highly sought-after 38W bunkhouse floor plan with 3 enormous slide-outs, 2 full baths with 2 showers, and sleeping for up to 8. With its stunning autumn mist full-body paint package and powerful Cummins engine, this RV is ready for your next adventure. Let's take a full walk around and dive into every detail of this incredible coach. Let's begin with the exterior. The 2019 Winnebago Forza 38W is a showstopper, wrapped in the autumn mist full-body paint package, featuring vibrant, high-quality graphics that turn heads wherever you go. At 40 feet long, it's built on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air ride suspension and full air brakes, ensuring a smooth, stable ride on any terrain. Brand new tires all around guarantee top performance and safety, whether you're hitting the highway or exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations. Powering this RV is a 6.7-liter Cummins ISB diesel engine, delivering 340 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 2500 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifting for effortless control. This setup provides the power and reliability you need for long hauls or cross-country journeys. The exterior is loaded with premium features for convenience and luxury. You'll find pass-through basement storage compartments with side swing baggage doors, offering tons of space for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or tailgating essentials. The exterior entertainment center, complete with a 32-inch TV, stereo, and speakers, is perfect for watching games or relaxing under the stars. A power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers all around provide shade and protection, creating an ideal outdoor living space. The one-touch hydraulic automatic leveling jacks with touchpad controls make setup a breeze, ensuring stability on any campsite. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch lets you tow a vehicle or trailer with ease, and the rear and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor makes navigating tight spaces or busy campgrounds effortless. Powering your adventures is a breeze with this RV's robust systems. It's equipped with a 50-amp service, a Magnum inverter charger, and battery inverter disconnects for efficient energy management. The Onan 6.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator delivers reliable off-grid power, perfect for boondocking or remote getaways. Dual-roof AC units with heat pumps keep you cool in summer and warm in cooler months, while the Truma AquaGo tankless hot water heater ensures endless hot water for showers or dishes. These features make year-round camping comfortable and hassle-free. Now, let's step inside and explore the 38W bunkhouse floor plan, designed for family-friendly luxury and versatility. With 3 enormous slide-outs, this RV feels incredibly spacious, offering sleeping for up to 8, perfect for family vacations or group trips. The layout includes a king-size bed and 2 bunk beds in the rear master bedroom, a jackknife sleeper sofa, and a booth dinette that transforms into additional sleeping space in the front living area. The front living room is a cozy hub featuring a booth dinette with seatbelts, a jackknife sleeper sofa, a 50-inch TV, and an electric fireplace with heat, creating a warm, inviting space for movie nights or relaxing after a day of adventure. The dinette and sofa provide extra sleeping options, making this RV ideal for larger groups. The front kitchen layout is a chef's dream, packed with residential-style amenities. You've got a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, and a microwave convection oven, perfect for preparing everything from quick meals to family feasts. The residential sink and faucet add a touch of elegance, and ample storage keeps your kitchen organized. A full-size separate washer and dryer make long-term travel or full-time RV living incredibly convenient, keeping laundry a breeze no matter where you are. As we move through the coach, the bunkhouse layout shines. The middle full private bathroom is a standout, featuring a large shower enclosure with a glass door, a sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan for a spa-like experience. The rear master bedroom is a true retreat, with a king-size bed for ultimate comfort, a 32-inch TV for late-night viewing, and plenty of storage with wardrobe closets and drawers. The 2 bunk beds are perfect for kids or guests, making this floor plan a favorite for families. The rear master private bathroom is equally impressive, with another full-size shower with glass doors, a skylight, a huge sink and vanity, a toilet, and a power vent fan, offering luxury and functionality. As we wrap up this walk around, let's talk about making this RV yours. Priced at just $139,900, this 2019 Winnebago Forza 38W is ready to roll with only 25,000 miles and a one-owner history. Give us a call at 864-260-9276, send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. Our team at Porters RV Sales is here to answer your questions and help you hit the road in this incredible diesel pusher. Thank you for joining us for this walk around of the 2019 Winnebago Forza 38W. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, for more RV tours. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This bunkhouse RV, with 2 full baths, a king bed, and sleeping for 8, is a rare find. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to make this 2019 Forza 38W yours.